Fast Greeting Gary with Let It Be RV. I'm still in Blackfoot, Idaho, going to be here until the election, but one of the things that I wanted to show you is a Christmas craft bazaar. Little kids in costumes looking for Halloween. But what I wanted to do is I wanted to walk over here and introduce you to my nephew-in-law, my niece's husband. We got somebody looking here. You can see that it's in the gymnasium, and I believe it's the Blackfoot Panthers, not the Blackfoot Potatoes, Idaho potato country. But anyway, kind of wanted you to see. Pretty good turnout at the 4 or 5 hours. And these are kind of people that are probably farmers, and they just do their extra things and make a little bit of money for Christmas. So let's go over there, and I want to introduce yourself to Jake. And Jake
Hello,
is
everybody.
The artist. This is my niece and my nephew-in-law, recovering outlaw, but anyway. So Jake, what's the name of your business?
Nutty Squirrel Turnings.
Talk up.
Nutty Squirrel Turnings.
Okay, what? And you literally make all these
Yes.
items.
So these are pepper mills.
Pepper mills?
These are pepper mills. They're good for salt and pepper.
Now you buy the mechanism, you make the wood.
Right.
You turn the wood down yourself, cure the
Yep.
wood, all of this. And so what about the pins?
The pens are all out of acrylics.
Out of what?
Acrylics.
Acrylics? Okay, very good.
So a type of resin.
Very good. And so we're going to come over here, and these are beautiful. Matter of fact, I just got one myself. So what do you got over here?
So you got
Fire starters.
Fire starters. Okay. Hope I can hear you guys. And here's kind of the new one right here,
Yeah.
isn't it? And it actually works.
We haven't tried it.
He says he hopes
it.
so. It's, if anything, it's beautiful. I mean, it's it's beautiful and practical. So, Jake, how long have you been doing this?
About 5 years.
5 years. You got your own shop.
Yeah.
You work a job
Yes, I work full time, and I just do this to get out of the house.
to get out of the house.
Just kidding.
Sheila didn't like that. No.
Yeah.
To get out of the house. Okay.
Yeah.
And so this is your only outlet for selling?
I sell online and Facebook.
Sell online on Facebook. I wanted to take a picture of this for reference of how you could actually order, right? And you have a business card. Would you hold your business card up? I hope we can see that. But anyway, I'm just trying to help out and see. This is where we're sitting back here, kind of enjoying the people walking by. And he's a very good craftsman. He's very good, very good. So Jake, I'm going to say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Julie, I'm going to say goodbye. I'm not going to say goodbye to you. She's tucked her tongue out of me. Okay, this is Gary. It's Let It Be RV. And so please subscribe. I just kind of wanted to let you know family is important. Bye-bye.